This new top-loading Panasonic washing machine offers 3 key features. First is the ActiveFoam System. Foam penetrates clothing for deeper cleaning. Fins beneath the pulsator spin, causing the detergent to thoroughly dissolve and generating a large volume of fine, extremely dense foam. Injected through the water inlets, this foam penetrates deep into clothing fibers. The ring showers regenerate the foam and help it penetrate deep into clothing. The foam lifts and separates stains, while multiple powerful water flows agitate the clothing for efficient cleaning. And since foam is generated from the start, detergent residue is avoided. The second key feature is gentle hand wash, which has evolved to work in combination with the ActiveFoam System. The gentle hand wash net holds the clothing while allowing ActiveFoam and water flows to do their work. The result is a gentle but effective cleaning similar to hand washing. And since clothes do not rub against each other or the pulsator, gentle hand wash is very easy on garments. Gentle hand wash reduces the need for time-consuming hand washing of delicate clothing and dry cleaning. The third key feature is the easy wide opening. Placing the control panel at the rear and making the opening wider makes it easier to reach to the bottom of the drum. And this and the lowered front make it easier to load and unload large items. The rear control panel features new blue LEDs. The electrostatic touch panel control is easy and intuitive, just like a smartphone. Working in combination with the high-performance inverter, EcoNavi monitors wash conditions and eliminates waste for advanced energy savings. Over a half-century of manufacturing history and expertise is alive in every part of each Panasonic appliance. Continuing to evolve, Panasonic washing machines with the ActiveFoam System are the most advanced available today.
Panasonic.